Kelena Madlila Eze Abakwebe Ebutalachi and Barry goes to the Chino and a turtle and I think you go out to here. You go to the wedding, you go no Obodoukwu Eze Ebutalachi I have no idea. The Obodoukwu Nile, the whole chiefs, not Obodoukwu, village chiefs, honourary chiefs, and the entire Obodoukwu community. As I have been big honor. I have to go to Ghana, be a dollar in each teacher. Let us go because I have to go to Imotanomo. Kaiburaja direct, Buyomo Imota. I become the Josie, Daburaja, Bugara Fairness, as a Marikejaka, Ezafekiliaka, autonomous community. Thank you.
Ekliaka Kwen. Ekliaka Kwen. Ekliaka Kwen. Oji eru na ayaka. Eji gosi na anabatara na mmemme a na-eme. Ya ka unu kelee ha. Eze agbakwa ibe. Ị ga-anọrọ anyị ekele na ododoro onye ọbụla. His Royal Highness Eze IMEOBIUKWU Ezerioha of Umume Autonomous Community Obodoukwu. Ele aja abịara ka isi ndị community.
Is Abakribe na ndị ụmụmme anyị adabata n'ọjị ndị ụmụmme enwe n'ọjị ebe a ka eze ama ọbịa. Okay, thank you very much.
Chiedozie, thank you, sir.
Anyị ekele na Chineke na ndụ nke o mere ka ọ fọdụrụ ya n'ụlọ ụbọchị taa ka anyị ebe ya ọgụ na ekele gbasara ọrụ ugbo anyị ojiji ọhụrụ anyị na-eri na-achụ nke ochie taa. Dịka m siri kwu na mbụ, azụ m onye ọbụla na-ebe ibe ya ka ọjị ya gabụrụ anyị na-erikọ ji na n'afọ na anyị na-aga erikọ afọ anyị na-azụ ụkwụ onye jiri bịa ebe a ka ọ ga-ezila onye nwe anyị ga-edili ọrụ na steshọn ọrụ dị iche iche n'aha Jizọs. Ka bụ onye nọ ga-azụ ibe ya nwa ya bụrụ ibe ya ụzọ nwụrụ, onye na-eburu ibe ya olili ọrụ ya bụrụ ya ụzọ danye. Chukwu okike ọbasi dị n'elu, eze a na-ekpesara ọgwụ, a na-ekele gị ekele na ndụ nke i mere ka ọ fọdụrụ anya ụbọchị taa. Gọziere ya ọjọọ ha chere n'iru udo ya nsọ ma ihe a ga-eri. Gọzie ya ka anyị hụta ndụ na-arụ isi ike site na Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye ndu nke ahịa.
Tata ọnwa Ọgọst mkpụrụ abalị 7 n'afọ 2012, gọvanọ anyị bụ Owele Anayo Igweneme ably represented and also representing himself by the TC chairman, Ideato local government, Honourable Heartland. I salute you, sir. Eze Abakribe, Eze Ekule of Ekuleaka, Iwa-ji of Umume Obodoukwu Autonomous Community, Odenigbo Ikwu of Igbo represented. Onye isi oche Ugochinyere, I salute you, sir. I na-atụ anya the special guest of honor, the Deputy Speaker Imo State House of Assembly, the honorable member representing the Ideato constituency, Chief Joseph Ezerioha, I na-atụ anya. The chairman of the Ideato government is here seated. Ezigbo, Lagos State. Chief C. Iwaji, landlord in the Lagos State, they host this occasion. I salute you, sir. The cabinet chiefs and the colorful aggregation of honorary council of chiefs and the Kelolo. Ndadodo, Obodoukwu, Nanda and the Kelolo. The chairman O.T.U Lagos branch and other town union branch chairmen and other branches and the Kelolo. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, warm welcome. Tata Iwaji Obodoukwu and the honourary to address us today. Here in the event today, Iwaji and Kembo and the Chineke Maka Idoweza Endo ya clock or another 1 year on the throne. Our Jina form Garaga, what now what Jina for? And I never but a whole large enough afford or Garagan the Warage. Cause and ever today we survive to one. Whereby no one, anybody, Maka, on your corono, I don't know, and I get weird. Because I think they can know my can go your eye. Then I bump on all our teacher, Bahano. We came in the Lagos State branch of Obodoukwu Ancient decided that Iko Hanaka, they have prizes. And all your kind of caption at this Iwaji, catch them young. Makana also say, Kuzero Maka, Otu Weme, Wepa, Wabahad, Dober, and Hato, and Hagi Chifia. When they grow old, they will not depart from it. So I want to thank you, the children, Madam Borobara, to excel ever first in the class. Class on the teacher, now you know, what do you see, what do so that in the time to come tomorrow, all my wonderga at Obodoukwu, Chair local government, Chair Imo State. Why did we do this? Okay, because to put in their mind that now Obodo cares for them. And no one has grown mad at Obodo take care of them. They will in turn also care for the community. And Lagos branch under the leadership of Okeoba, Lagos State, indeed everybody okay before to make this occasion a success. Only the blackboard I get into whiteboard. The schools will also receive books. They will receive exercise books and some textbooks, courtesy of Obodoukwu Ancient Lagos branch. Because of life, I always said, education is a transition from ignorance to knowledge, from captivity to freedom, from illiteracy to literacy, and from darkness to light. It is a companion which no misfortune can depress, no crime can destroy, and no enemy can alienate, and no despotism can enslave. Lagos State is indeed supporting education in our community, and I want to thank you so much for this wonderful gesture.
Tony Ejieji. Ndị mụrụ ha yiri bịa Nze Ignatius Oguchenti, Barrister Chike Ogweleje, na ndị okpuru mmemme juru ebe a, igwe omume eze kulie aka, ụmụ okorobịa ụmụ agbọghọbịa, ndị nne ndị nna, biko nnọọ. Ihe mfu na Obodoukwu yiri ihe mfu na Ogboko, mana ihe mfu na Obodoukwu bụ ụzọ. Tony Ejieji Chief bụ nwanne na mba nwere. A gwara m ya n'otu oge a na-abịa Obodoukwu were microphone gwa ndị bụ ụnụ ije mụ na gị, and ije ahụ taa ka ọ ọpọchịchị ime ya. Biko nụ, Tony Ejieji bụ nwanne m nwoke a mụrụ n'Obodoukwu. Ihe ngozi m abụ ma nna m ma otu o si eme nna akị ya. Mụọ nwanne m nwoke ihe ebido kemgbe 1993. Ọ bụrụ na m na-eri nri taa, ihe ọbụla ifo mbụ taa, Tony aka ya nụ ya n'isi. Enwere otu mgbe ahụ 1990, I can't forget Tony. After mecha youth service, any piece of contract, you may go to January. Tell them what about Chrysler, right? Or I did initial consult. One company see how you may go, Blue Motor. As that day now, each time I go on the house, take it. Tony actually where you know where today that I cannot effectively appreciate you. And what you say, I have got and the we are now. As a man now, so where the second chieftaincy title, first one in Ogboko, now Obodoukwu. Of course, all in Ideato. Because never I can remember. If you want to remember, now go to the or go for. One can never put a pool. As my mother, I can't put the everyone in your mother. I can't put the only project. Tony has been doing it, and you need to see how far he has is excelling. He should have beautiful children. He's doing well. So why can we not be generous? Tony, because even the born of time, I'm going to tell them go say, I'm going to tell in room and workplace. And the way I come too much in the whole heart. Even the update speaker, I come now. We're going to go now him I cannot forget. You have always been with me in my hours of need, and I know that God will bless you. Your Highness, this Ojoge we are going in town, it is well appreciated. Because now I know why Iji Anogo you get me here. So everyone all good. Almost some now probably same matter what he did because he didn't Google. Also make we are and we are buying see what can do because I try as much as possible didn't go good. So because now formalize that today not somebody and I am very happy about because I appreciate you.
Chief Honorable the State Organizing Secretary of Imo State, and I'm from here. Today we are here to thank God for yet another year that He has given to us. Witness the Iwaji ceremony, and by extension the eating of the New Yam this year. This is the festival that we will do every year. It has been there before we were born, and by God's grace we follow through up to today. So we thank God that all of us are here, and the state is fully represented here with the presence of the Deputy Speaker of the Imo State House of Assembly and a whole lot of of other dignitaries that are here with him. The person representing Ideato North, the State Assembly, fully represented, and a whole lot of government functionaries that are represented. So Obodoukwu people are proud, we are happy. Today is bright, the day is beautiful, the environment is very serene, the ambience is wonderful. So we are excited that this year's festival is going so fine, so far, and with the beauty and the pageantry that is with it. And I've been around this year in a lot of towns, New Yam Festival. I've been to a lot of towns this year. So far, this is the most organized, this is the most exciting, this is the most beautiful, and this is the most wonderful New Yam Festival I've seen this year. And I'm proud to be associated with it.
So I'm